Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex. This one right here is Tiger Shark. And today we're going to show you this 108 ounces stainless steel cat water fountain that this brand sent to me for this video. What are you doing, big boy? I don't know what he's doing. He was actually drinking water just like a few seconds ago. But this one, which I'm going to show you in a closer look in a few seconds, is number one, stainless steel. So that's going to be always the best for our pets. Stainless steel, not plastic, not a BPA free or whatever. No, stainless steel is always gonna be the best, and it's also dishwasher safe, so you can wash it if you also want. 108 ounces. It comes with the USB-C charger, and this is a charger, not a cable, because this one is fully rechargeable. As you can see, no cable, so you can transport this one in between rooms if you need, without the hassle to actually having cables. So you have multiple cables in each one of the rooms, and you can recharge it in those rooms, for example. But also, I do like that it comes with a two-stage filtration system. One that is going to be in the actual pump on the bottom, and the other one is going to be on the recycling bin. So when the water goes in and then comes back out, it's going to be fully recycled, and all that pet hair and particles and everything and saliva is going to be caught up on the actual filters. Last but not least, it also comes with a transparent window right here, so you can see how much water you have left. So again, the good thing about that one is like, Tiger, what are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna kind of like change the angle, I think. Oh my God. So again, the good thing about that one is the motion sensor, because that way you can actually put it in working at all times if you want. You can change... Okay, you can change the mode. Like, for example, right now we're working on the motion sensor. So whenever it kind of like detects motion in front of the sensor right here, it will start like kind of like flowing the water. But you can set it on a timer mode if you also want, and you can set it up on the keep working as well. So that's going to keep you on those three different modes if you want. But I do like the motion sensor. I do like that it's rechargeable. I do like that it's USB-C, 108 ounces stainless steel, and of course the two-stage filtration system works perfectly. I do vouch for this one, and I do recommend.